Hey guys, swagE here and welcome back to Black Ops 2 and we're gonna do Express, but this time we're gonna use Explosives Only Challenge. So let's see how I do. And yes, only explosives this round. And yeah, I got electric thingies and a grenade and bazooka, so let's see how I do. Electric thingies. Ew. But yeah, that was my mom, of course. Come here. Ah, right. Okay. Still do this, even though we're losing. I don't know if I can knife though. Well, it is an explosive challenge. Okay, no knifing. Where's my explosive thingies? Ah, I have no ammo. I should put scavenger on this, huh? Okay, there's knifing because I have no ammo. Oh. The frick? Ah! Okay. I got this. Right there. Let's go. Ooh! Oh, it was oh, I almost got someone. Heck. It's a good way to kill someone. It's the FBI. Okay. I wonder what that says. Hey, go. Shh. Really? Gonna need the knife for ammo, actually. Ah, it's getting difficult. If you saw that, okay, that's good. But if you didn't, oh my god, I'm sorry for you. Oh, that was funny. Dang it. Oh. Actually, I'm gonna do this exploding and knifing challenge. My train here! Bing! Oh. Knife. There he is. Doesn't see me. But he's dead now. Ha! Go. Go. Dang, he's fast. It's sad. I suck at this game. That is explosive. Actually, almost all these things I have are explosive, so I'm gonna drift. Watch me drift, guys. Where's someone? Yeah. Can't get him, he's too high. No! There. Whoa, dude. No. Bob! This is hard. But it's the challenge I did. Oh my. Give me that. But it's the challenge I did for you guys, so I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Made the money, do a backflip. That reminded me of a video. My bazooka thing. Don't kill my friend. Where? Come here. Come here. There we go. Finally. We got 5 minutes left of this video. Probably 4. I'm not sure. Oh, he wasn't ready. Oh, jeez. Go. Double? Ah! So the guy in there survived. Oh, no, he didn't. He survived my explosion, but he didn't survive. Go! God, don't even let me finish my sentence. God. I feel like doing a shout out right now to all my friends. Come here. Move out of my way, teammate. Okay, I'm gonna do a shout out to Taven, which is practically my brother. Bro. Shout out to Emmanuel and Taven. I already said Taven. I meant Riley. If you're at Bryan Elementary, shout out to all of you. Practically, I'm trying to say. Shout out to Bryan Elementary School. There. That's what I was trying to say. Oh! In the gut, bro. Oh, there it is. Ah! Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Please don't. Yeah! Let's do this thing. There's someone. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Come on. Have it up. Nope. That's it, explosive. Don't kill my friend. Unless it's under my authority. Ooh! I love doing that. I don't know why. Come here. Oh! You guys see that? It says zombies are coming. Milk diapers. By Tarties. And pickle something. But that says zombies are coming. That's cool. Oh god. Whatever. I think it said something about successfully. Something about good job at capturing. What's his name? If you know what I'm talking about, good job. I forgot his name though. That's bad. Oh. Get quick knifed. I just made up that word. Quick knife. That's awesome. zit, and a knife. Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah, I have a war machine still. Oh dang. Just really excited for tomorrow. That's all I have to say. You don't see me. You don't see me. Oh, I didn't even see him, bro. Okay, I'm waiting. Oh, I have someone captured. Jeez. Don't shoot. Don't shoot him. Don't shoot him. Don't shoot him. Don't shoot him. Don't you dare shoot him. No, don't shoot me. Keep it. 73. No! No! God. I'll use that gun. Where are you shooting at? God. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe. If you like it, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.